In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invest with Charles Schwab Brokerage account. We'll keep this simple and practical so you know exactly what to do from start to finish. First, open a brokerage account on the Schwab website. Choose a standard brokerage account for general investing, then complete the online application. Approval is usually quick, and once you're set up, you'll have access to stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, bonds, and more in one place. Next, fund your account. Log in, head to Move Money, then Transfers, link your bank, and make a deposit. You don't need a big lump sum to begin. Starting with a small amount is perfectly fine. Consistency matters far more than size on day one. Now decide what to invest in. For beginners, 4 categories cover most needs. Stocks let you buy shares of individual companies. ETFs, which are often the best starting point, bundle many stocks into one investment for instant diversification. An example is an S&P 500 ETF. Mutual funds can be actively managed or index-based and work similarly to ETFs but trade differently. And bonds offer lower risk with typically lower returns. You can mix these to build a balanced portfolio that matches your comfort with risk and time horizon. When you're ready to buy, place your first trade. Click Trade, choose whether you're buying stocks in ETFs or mutual funds, then enter a ticker symbol. VOO is a common S&P 500 ETF example. Select your order type. A market order buys right away at the current price. A limit order lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay. It will only execute at that price or better. Review the details and click Place Order. Once the order fills, you'll see the investment in your account holdings. Keep your portfolio simple to start. A straightforward approach is allocating roughly 80 to 90% to an S&P 500 ETF and the remaining 10 to 20% to cash or bonds. If you prefer automation, Schwab offers tools that can help build and manage a diversified portfolio for you. From there, invest regularly. Weekly or monthly contributions help smooth out market ups and downs. Don't try to time the market. Time in the market beats timing the market. Finally, monitor your account occasionally, but don't overreact to headlines or short-term swings. Stick to your plan and let compounding do the heavy lifting over the long run. That's it. You're ready to invest with confidence using your Charles Schwab brokerage account.